Alright, I peep this out. A lot of these songs is old to me and new to y'all, you dig? So, and like I said, I'm playing with the YouTube, so commercials might pop up every now and then. You know what I'm talking about? But hey, if it pop up, then it pop up. God dang, this is real. This is live. This is yeah. Bro, this shit 99, some shit like that. I'm gonna give you the hook and all this shit. The rest of the shit, all the hooks is wrote. But check this out. When I pull up to the spot, everybody knows me. Top down sound, no rims, keep spinning, spinning. When I pull up to the spot, everybody knows me. Top down sound, no rims, keep spinning, spinning. When I pull up to the spot, everybody knows me. Top down sound, no rims, keep spinning, spinning. When I pull up to the spot, everybody knows me. Top down sound, no rims, keep spinning. I got that 85 build with that candy paint more wrong with this emblem on that boy, that interstate. Yes, I be the best from down bottom of the map. When they say the bottom punk, man, I'm from the bottom. I ain't gotta play no games. They already know the fucking name. It's that boy from Morris Point, Dick the collar, the cane, ain't about no games. When the country lyrics, bruh, I spit it off the top. I don't need a pen and pen. I'm like Jay-Z and Lil Wayne, but I go hard, man, cause I got to. Morris Point, Mississippi, yes, pimp, I got to. That's my city. I ride hard, but yet I ride so clean. I got that dirty Diana by my side, unless I gotta get mean. With the crush scribble, good scribbling the butt with them things on the Lord have mercy in the trunk. I got that banking sound like a Morton band coming down the block. When I turn that bitch, I'm knocking pictures off the wall. I play now. When I pull up to the spot, everybody knows me. Top down sound, no rims, keep spinning, spinning. When I pull up to the spot, everybody knows me. Top down sound, no rims, keep spinning, spinning. When I pull up to the spot, everybody knows me. Top down sound, no rims, keep spinning, spinning. When I pull up to the spot, everybody knows me. Top down sound, no rims, keep spinning, spinning. Yo, oh, Hold on, hold on. Let's keep going with it. 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 Like I said, all my hooks is rope. But I'm giving y'all a little taste of a little freestyle. So it may not be much, but all my hooks is wrote to everything that I wrote and I'm put up on them. This is a baby mama drummer song. I wrote this when I had my first child. Check it out. Hey, too much noise in my head to think. Not enough crown in this bottle to drink. Don't wanna hit your pussy cause I know that it stink. I'm talking about you, bitch, I give a fuck what you think. Too much noise in my head to think. Not enough crown in this bottle to drink. Don't wanna hit your pussy cause I know that it stink. I'm talking about your bitch, listen. P. Now that you're out of my life, I'm doing better. And every chick I kick you with, they got a cheddar. Now you know it's here, I'm up and running. You wanna call me baby dick. Damn it! Ah! Hold on. Y'all got me turned up. Hold on, wait. Hold on. Oh, I like that one. Let's try that one. Like I said, you getting a lot, man. We mixing shit. I'm sorry it ain't right, but we gonna get it right though. Hold on, we just gonna let this shit play. 1,000 titles at your fingertips. Yeah. Download and watch Tubi on your TV today. I like YouTube. Oh shit! I didn't know we gonna do that one. Except for this one, we ain't got no bars for this one. I mean, no hook. We're gonna do it like that. Pete. Now, it's a lot of motherfuckers out there doing it. Salute to them. Me, I gotta put myself on that pedestal better than everybody else, which I may not be, but I gotta put myself on that pedestal better than everybody else when it comes to the lyrical shit. I can say I'm the best entertainer out of Mississippi. You ready for it? Pete. Peekaboo, fuck nigga, I see you. You see me, yeah, I'm doing better than you. Don't hate my nigga, yeah, congratulate. Let me slide through this bitch like an escapade. Me and my people got money to get a lot of folks hurting. A lot of people still hurting from Katrina, ho. But still, though, we rose from the bottom to the top. I'm in the driver's seat and I ain't gon' stop. With the pedal to the metal, bitch, I mash the gas. And then the nigga, you can wind my ass. The little bitty nigga from the sip, I'm jumping out head first. You stay independent, cool. I feel that me, I gotta get the money, dawg. Fuck what they talking about. I'm worth dollars, I ain't working no cent, huh? Understand, I gotta get it. Again, and if you think that I'ma roll over, fuck nigga, you got me bent. I ain't gotta play no games. Give me a beat and pen and pad, man. Watch me work my magic with this bitch. They call me the microphone drug dealer. That's what I do. I cook dope music. For the music junkies out here, yeah. I let you know your dope man right here. Yeah, I'ma give it to you raw. Ain't no motherfucking faking it. I'ma shake this bitch like the Ricky Bobby shaking bake. I don't think a nigga do what I do when it comes to this music and movies and what I do. Yeah, do it. What else you got? What else you got for me? Ooh, play that one, play that one, play that one, play that one. Oh, damn, you going like that, DJ? What would I put with this one? Money in this bitch, yeah, is calling me. Money in it is calling me. Money in this industry is calling me. Money with this shit, yeah, it's calling me. I got too many kids to feed to play these games, man. I got an old lady, she want a lot of things, man. So I'ma sit back and take this pen and pad and jot down what's going down inside the brain of a madman from Mississippi that don't give a fuck. I try to tell you, boy, I gotta get it in. No matter what it is, I gotta do it, man. I try to stay straight, but it's so hard, man. It's so good to do wrong, but it's so hard to do right in this life. So I take it out the right. So fuck it. Back to the basics. This pen and pad gotta get it in, man. Ain't no nigga from around here, down here like me. You gon' get scraped when you fuck with me. I may not charge much, but I got a family feed. But still, I build my profits up. See, ain't a nigga down here like me, nope. Ain't a nigga down here like me, nope. When it comes to this money, bitch, I got to go get it. Ain't another nigga down here like me, nope. Hold on. I'm gonna get out this one. Now, check this out. Before I even sing this song, to everybody I use the instrument, I appreciate you. But this one right here, I know I can't fast forward over here. I like, oh, they throwing that one? Okay, now this one here, this is a song that's real shit. I was in Florida working one day, you dig? And down in the Keys, you feel me? And I met a person. She changed my whole perspective about shit. So check this out. Real shit. A nigga like me never been nowhere. I started working with these people, so I've been around the world, yeah. I've been to Texas, I've been to Florida. I've been so many states I can't even name, but I was in Florida one day working down there in the Keys. A hurricane came through there, fucked the whole city up, and there's a man. I had to lend a hand, but when I lend a hand, I could in the grand. I met this little chick, she showed me around the fucking Keys, and then she took me to a place just her and me. So I grabbed her by the waistline, pulled her to the closely. Damn. Hold on. So she took me to her place off in the Keys. Don't nobody know about it doing me. So I grabbed her by her hand, pulled her slowly to me, now rubbing on the waistline, started crying, goddamn. Now this time I play it sweet. Lay her down and put a slow jam on, for real. This time I'm gonna take my time and stroke her right. Shawty got her. Now this time damn, hold on, I'm thinking about the fucking me up, hold on. Man. This time I'ma take it through. Every time I think about this shit, it just throws me off. Okay, so one day got off kinda early, hit her up. Let's get a bite to eat, shorty know what's up. She came through in a little dress. Yes, I had the dress to impress cause I'm from Mississippi. Yeah, I do it to the best. So we ate a little something to eat. Fucked around and walked up on the beach. The water so blue and so clear, you see the fishes. But in nighttime, this shit just blow my mind. Now she took me to her place off in the Keys. Don't nobody know about it but you and me. So I grabbed her by her hand. I pulled her slowly to me, put my hand on that little waistline, and we started grind. Now this time I play it sweet. Lay her down and put a slow jam on. Cause I don't wanna rush the motion. But got the right person, god damn. This time I play it sweet. Lay her down and put a slow jam on. For real, this time I'ma take my time and do it right. I ain't gonna rush the motion, gotta get it right. Now this time I'm playing sweet. Lay her down and put a slow jam on. For real, this time I'ma take my time. I ain't gonna rush the motion, let it play. What I mean, every time I think about it, man, it's just. Oh man, I don't even want to think about it, man. It brings a tear to my fucking eye. Hold on, hold up. We gotta change. We gotta change the motion on there. Hold on. We gotta find something. Let's stop. Hold on.